Okay, so our directions today's actually the 16th, but we're doing yesterday's opener. It says determine the x and y intercepts for the following equation. Then we're going to plot the intercepts, then graph the line. So the first thing that we need to know is what the y-intercept's going to be, what the x-intercept's going to be. We're going to get two ordered pairs, and then with those ordered pairs, we're going to graph them. So we're going to take this equation, and on your piece of paper, on your opener, it went ahead and divided your paper into two halves. Mine doesn't have that, so I'm going to squeeze it on here. So I'm going to divide my paper here. And the first equation that I'm going to use, I'm going to substitute what for x? 0, because it already says it for me. So I'm going to take my equation, 3x minus 4y equals 12, and I'm going to substitute that 0 for that x. So I'm going to take 3 times 0 minus 4y equals 12. Now, because I'm solving for a variable, I'm going to circle my variable. I'm going to draw my line of equality, and I'm going to go ahead and solve. Now, anytime a number is times 0, it's going to equal 0. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that 3 times 0. And then I'm just left with negative 4y equals 12. Now, my goal is to get that y by itself so that I can solve for y. How do I get the y by itself? Divide both sides by what?
4.
What kind of 4 is that?
Negative 4.
Yeah, take that negative 4 with it. So then I'm going to have y equals, what's 12 divided by negative 4?